As of 2023, there are over 180 million users using ChatGPT. I'm sure you are one among them. But do you want to be the top 10% who uses ChatGPT more efficiently? Then you're at the right place. In this video, we are going to discuss in depth about ChatGPT, how it works and its limitations. This video is going to be a 5-part series in which we are going to discuss brief introduction, AI chatbots, tokens, prompt engineering, and dangers and limitations. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, it's a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. In simple terms, it's like having a conversation with a computer program. It can generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. It not only answers the questions, but also assists with a wide range of language-related tasks. Think of it as your virtual companion. GPT in ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The first Generative Pre-trained Transformer was created by OpenAI in 2018, which was named as GPT-1, which had 117 million parameters. Now, parameters refers to weight and biases learned during the training process. The more number of parameters equal the more accurate results. There were two large data sets used as training data. The first one called Common Crawl, in which the dataset contained millions of web pages. The second is Book Corpus, which contained 11,000 books in dataset. Then in February 2019, OpenAI launches its sequel GPT-2, which had 1.2 billion parameters. Followed by 2020, OpenAI launches GPT-3, which had 175 billion parameters, which included Wikipedia and many other books and articles, including Common Crawl and Book Corpus. This whole training dataset was around 570 GB. Finally, on November 2022, ChatGPT 3.5 was released to public. Now, the difference between GPT-3 and 3.5 is that GPT 3.5 is fine-tuned with advanced techniques known as RLHF, reinforcement learning from human feedback, and transformers, about which we will talk later on the video.
If you guys are interested in data and data sets which I mentioned earlier, then check out Skillslash. We provide data science and AI courses with real-work experience along with Microsoft certification. We have a limited time discount going on only for you. Use the link below to get 20% off on all our courses. So, go ahead and enroll now by clicking on the first link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one.